welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fragrant Grab box for the month of July. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. I will be unboxing the Jewel Grab box, so let's talk about that. The price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees and it's a jewel subscription box. So in this you will receive beautiful jewelry pieces. I will be mentioning the buying link, the website link and everything in the description box. So check the description box for more detail. Now let's start. So first thing is this. This is the info card and it says July Jewel Grab box. On the other leaf I have all the detail of jewelry. So let's start with the first jewelry. First jewelry is oxidized neck piece. The price for this one is 350 rupees and it's really beautiful. So let me show you. It looks so pretty. This is the one. You can just see it's so different and it's so nice. I like it because I don't have anything of the sort. So that's why I'm saying, let me just quickly wear it and show you the look because I know this is going to look really stunning on me. Wow. So you can just see it's looking so pretty. I'm loving it. 350 is the price. The quality and everything of this is really nice. I'm liking it. So really pretty, very beautiful neck piece. I like it. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is stone earrings. They are stone Tehsil earring and they are again very pretty. Let me just quickly show you. So this is the style. The color is gray, so quite different. I don't have anything of like anything in gray like Tehsil earrings. So yes, happy with this one. Let me just wear it and show you. And I have to remove the neck piece as well. So give me 1 second. This is the look. You can just see they are looking really pretty, very elegant party wear, and the stone and the combination of Tehsil is looking really nice. So yes, happy, looking really pretty. You can just see. I will be clicking pictures, so don't worry. I will be attaching a lookbook in the end, so you guys can see that. And now moving on to the next one. Next one is a beautiful choker set, and the price for this one is 400 rupees. This is the one. So it comes with the matching earrings as well. Let me just quickly wear this and show you the look. So this is the look. You can just see the choker is looking so elegant, so rich, and it comes with the matching earrings, and earrings are also looking really nice. You can wear the choker and the earrings separately, of course, and they will look really nice. And of course with the pair, yes, you can actually wear it separately or with the combination. So really nice. I love it. Very elegant, very classy. The price for this one is 400 rupees. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a wooden earring and the price for that is 250 rupees. Let me just show you the earrings first of all. So these are the wooden earrings. Really pretty. They are, as the name says, wooden. So they are wooden, like it has wooden feel. So yes, let me quickly wear it and show you the look. The price for these are 250 rupees. And this is the look. Pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is black beads earrings, and these are the one. Actually, these are black beads with Tehsil earring, you can say. So black beads are here, and it has some tassels as well. So pretty, and like they will go perfectly with your casual outfit. Let me just wear it, and the color is black, so they will go with everything, I guess. Just try on one and show you. They are hardly visible, but yeah, now you can see. So the price for these are 150 rupees. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one are Meenakari chain earring. So let me just remove these and show you these. They are the Meenakari chain earring. Why chain earring? Let me just show you. So they come with this chain thing. Let me just wear one and show you. I have to struggle a bit with these because I don't really wear something like this. Something like this. Let me see. So for Indian, they are just amazing, really beautiful earrings. I love it. I don't have anything of the sort. So again, happy. But I'm not really sure where I'm going to wear it because I don't wear so much of Indian. The price for these are 350 rupees, and let me wear the other one also because these are the last pair in the box. And after this, I don't really have to change it. So this is the look, I guess. Somehow I managed, I guess. So this is the look. Of course, they are looking really pretty, very different style. I like it. The price for these are 350 rupees, and these are the last pair in the box. The total worth of all the jewelry is 1850, and you can just see you will receive such a beautiful jewelry in just 499 rupees. 2 neck pieces, then 4 pair of earrings, and the earrings like these, they are like super stunning, very good quality. So yes, overall I'm super happy with my grab box. And actually Jewel Grab Box never disappoint their subscribers. So yes, I'm happy this month too. And as I've said, I will be attaching a lookbook in the end, and all the detail you will get in the description box. But before ending the video, let me just tell you that there is a clearance sale going on Grabox. So if you want to buy the February Grabox, you can get that in really affordable prices. For mini Grabox, you just have to pay 237 rupees, and for Jewel Grabox, February Jewel Grabox, you just have to pay 424 rupees. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the prices in the description box with the code which you have to use, which is ClearFeb. So I will be mentioning all the details. Don't worry about that. So that's all about Jewel Grab Box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.